Here I have Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S, and today I'm going to show you how to customize sound panel on this device. So as you can see, now I have like the standard Xiaomi sound panel here, but it looks like this. But actually you can customize this panel. All you need to do is to just download Volume Styles Customize Volume Panel Slider app from the Play Store. Then you have to open it, tap Start, then you have to enable accessibility services here. And it works. So as you can see, you can select any other volume slider style. For example, you can select one from the Android, one from the iOS, one UI 3, one UI 2, RGB, Wave, MIUI. Actually this one we have like right now, Color OS. So let's select, for example, maybe, no idea, this Oxygen OS one. And as you can see, now I have another volume panel sliders here. You can select maybe this Vivo Fun Touch OS, and as you can see, now I have another sliders here, and all the others. Maybe this knob one, wow, stylish, or this emoji one. As you can see, I have emojis here. Unbelievable. You can also create your own customizable create style for your own slider here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.